Hi, Hal. Welcome back to A to Z Trading School. In this video, we are going to discuss what is risk per day, what is risk per trade, and how to calculate risk per trade or risk per day. Let us understand what is risk per day. The percentage of your capital you are going to risk on particular trading day is called as risk per day. The formula for the risk per day will be capital into percentage of risk divided by 100. What is risk per trade? The percentage of your risk per day you are going to risk on particular trade is called as risk per trade. The formula will be risk per day into percentage of risk divided by 100. Why we should have a defined risk per day or defined risk per trade? See guys, many traders fail because they never define their risk per day or risk per trade, and they are going to end up in losing their capital in 2 weeks or in few months. So always define your risk per day and risk per trade and trade accordingly to become a successful trader. Let us understand this with an example. I'm assuming capital of 1 lakh rupees in this, and risk per day I'm going to take is 1% of my capital. It will come as 1000 rupees. And to calculate the risk per trade, you should know number of trade you are going to take on that particular day. You should know the number of trades as well, because to avoid you from doing over trading. So it will be 5 trades per day as per my rules. I'm going to take the risk per trade will come as 1000 divided by 5, it will be 200 rupees. And to know the quantity per trade, you should know the SL in points. See, now we know the risk per day and also risk per trade. To know the quantity per trade, we should know SL in points as well. For example, we are going to take a trade with an SL of 5 RS, then quantity per trade will be 200 divided by 5, it will come to 40. I'm going to trade with 40 quantity in this. Hope this clears your doubt how to calculate risk per day, risk per trade, and quantity per trade. Please follow this and trade accordingly. We are going to teach trading from scratch. Interested people can contact this number and also join my free Telegram group for more updates. Thank you.